What's going on, everybody? Rob here, aka Trev2323. I'm in the basement right here, and I gotta make a filter. I've made these before. They're actually called pop bottle filters. I gotta make a pop bottle filter because we took down the crayfish tank. You see it's completely shut down. There's the koi tank. We're gonna make a bigger stand for the koi tank. It's gonna be a 240-gallon koi tank. An awesome guy donated to the channel. 240-gallon tank. It does need some repair, but it's gonna be well worth it. So right now, this is where the crayfish are temporarily housed. Let's open it up so you can see them. There's the crayfish down in there. They're all hiding and about, but right now I just have an air stone in there to aerate the water. So this is a reverse. It don't allow water to back up into the airline hose. So I'm gonna have to take this off, and then we're gonna connect it to the top of this pop bottle filter. Okay. So this has to be filled in with the rocks, which there's the rocks that I took out of there. So I'm gonna need a funnel so we could funnel the rocks into here. But to make this a filter, I am going to use a little soldering iron. So let me plug this in right now to get this warm. Alright, as that is filling up, I have my rocks right here, and I gotta fill up at least half of this bottle with gravel. But here's the thing, I want the air bubbler on the bottom, so this is gonna take some time. So right now, little by little, I'm filling this up with gravel. Alright, now this is the same concept as the under gravel filter, although it's not under gravel. The air bubbler is all the way at the bottom, and it's going to bring bubbles all the way to the top of this and come out the top. So the water is going to be sucked in the bottom and come out the top. But for the water to be sucked in the bottom, you have to make holes. So that's what this is for, because I'm making holes all around the bottom of this. There's probably going to be 3 rows of holes all the way around the bottom of this. See, they're melting in. And this is going to allow the water to be sucked up from... This is my basement bathroom that I wash my hands in when I am working on projects. But you see, I'm putting holes in, so then this way, when this is underwater, the water is going to get sucked up through these holes, come through the gravel and get filtered, and then right back out the top of it into the barrel. Top of it right there. Okay? About 100 holes at the bottom. Move that over. I took the backflow off since the pump is higher. So I'm putting this on this. Now make sure, this is the part you make sure you don't pull this out of the bottom right here. So I'm trying to do this with one hand, so let me put you down. Okay, so I dropped it in there. I thought I was recording when I did, but I didn't. So see the bottle, the green bottle in there? And see the bubbles coming out the top? I took off the reverse thingy right there, and it created a micro filter now. So that right there is filtering all this water. You see the marbled crayfish right in there. This is my GoPro, but I got the creator package on it right now. But you see that thing chugging along? That is going to constantly filter this water right now, and it's going to make an awesome filter. I mean, those make awesome filters. Those are similar to an under gravel filter. What an under gravel filter does, it creates the biological stuff in the under gravel filter, and then it comes up the top. I took the under gravel filter off of this tank right here because the actual crayfish buried when they were baby and lived under the under gravel filter. So that one was the koi tank with the under gravel filter, but when I had the emergency and that one broke, I had to transfer them in here. Alright, either way, that's how to make a pop bottle filter. Talk to you later. Subscribe, like, and share.